Hello everyone. In this video let's discuss about the master theorem, and in this we will be solving the two problems of the master theorem. You will be getting every knowledge about how to solve the master theorem easily, and you will be able to solve all the problems. Now the general format of the master theorem is T of n is equal to at n by b plus f of n. If you see here, just compare this one and this one. If you compare T of n, next a into t. So here in place of a 4 is there, just write a is equal to 4. Next n divided by b. So in place of b 2 is there, so b is equal to 2 plus f of n. In place of f of n we are having n, so f of n is equal to n. Now what are the condition? A must be greater than or equal to 1. My a is 4, so it is satisfied. B must be greater than 1, so b is 2, so it is also satisfied. Next f of n must be always positive, so f of n value is equal to n, that is it is always positive. Now we are having three cases. In the three cases, which case will be applied for this? Using that case we will be solving the problem. How means? F of n. So what is the value of the f of n in this question? N. F of n less than n power. So this is n power log a base b. Here f of n is equal to n power log a base b. F of n greater than n power log a base b. Less than, equal to, greater than. Three conditions will be there. If f of n is less than n power log a b base b is n power log a base b means t of n. So the whole format will be shortly written as theta of n power log a base b. The same which is here, no, that one only be written here. Now if f of n is equal to n power log a base b means, then just write that one value into log n. Next f of n greater than n power log a base b means, just write f of n value, because here if you see, if f of n value is greater, just write f of n value. If n power log a base b is greater, just write n power log a base b value. If both are equal means, you must write n power log a base b into log n. Just simple trick. Now let's go on solving the problem. You will be getting know how to solve. Now we are having the value of f of n. We are having value of a, b. We must find the value of n power log a base b. So just substitute. So f of n value, what is f of n value? F of n value is n, and here n power log a base b means n power log, what is a value? 4, base is 2, so n power log 4 base 2 means what will be the value? It will be n square. So log 4 base 2 value will be equal to 2. So n and n square. Among this one, which is the greater? So n square is greater than n. So therefore f of n less than n power log a base b. So which is the condition? We are using the case 1. So case 1. According to the case 1, what is T of n? T of n is equal to theta into n power log a base b. So what is the value of n power log a base b? N square. So theta of n square is the value. Now let's jump into the second question. So here also, what is the, just compare with the general format. What is the value of a? A value is equal to 2. Next, what is the value of b? B value is equal to 2. Next, f of n value is equal to n only. Now f of n and n power log a to the base b. Now just compare. F of n value is n and n power log a base b value. N power log a value is 2 and base value is also 2. So n and n power log 2 to the base 2 value will be equal to n power 1. So n will be equal to n only. N power 1 means n only. So n and n both are same. What will be the condition? Equal. So f of n will be equal to n power log a base b. So what is the condition? Case number 2, equal. So we will be using the case number 2. So if you use the case number 2, what will be the t of n? T of n is equal to theta of n power log a base b. What is the value of n power log a base b? That is n into log n. N into log n. So this is the value. For this one also, if f of n value is greater than n power log a base b means you can use this condition and just write the f of n value. So hope you understood the concept of the master theorem using the simple explanation. Just compare with the general format, write a value, write the b value and f of n value. Just keep in the mind, a value must be greater than or equal to 1, b value must be greater than 1, f of n value must be positive. In these three conditions only you can apply this master's theorem. Next, just compare with the three cases. What are three cases? F of n value less than n power log a base b, greater than n power log a base b, equal to n power log a base b. So if it is, which one is greater? Write that one. Here n power log a base b is greater. So we wrote n power log a base b. Here f of n value is greater. So here we wrote f of n. Here both are equal. So we wrote n power log a base b value and into log n. So hope you understood the concept. If you have any doubt, please comment below, and if you liked the video, please subscribe and support us. Thank you.